Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to another video, and I am super excited to share this lovely haul with you sent by the Washi tape shop. And I am a big fan of their products, and they were kind enough to send me all these lovely products which I'm going to show you now. And I have like 5 different washi tapes, so they do come in all different kind of sets. I will link everything below, and before I start doing that, I want to know that I am an affiliate and I have a discount code for you for all of them, and you can make sure to check that out in the description below. So we will start with this beautiful floral washi tape, and I will let you know the names of each one of them as we open them. So this one is called Flower Corridor Wide Washi, and it's a PET tape. It has like a clear backing, and I think it's so beautiful. By the time I'm editing this video, I've already made something using this, and I'm in love. It is such a beautiful washi and it has like these beautiful floral compositions and in different colors and different flowers, and I think it's super stunning. And they are all not same, which is so amazing. So you get all these different colors and different sizes, which I think is so practical and so useful. And I think I tried to count them, so it's probably more than 15 designs, I think. I love it. This is probably one of my favorites. And this next beautiful set is called Delicate Floral Wreaths, and I think they are super stunning. I follow May on Instagram and I really love her work, and I will leave her handle here somewhere. And yeah, let's open it. So this wide one has like all the different kind of wreaths, and they are die cut stickers, so you can peel them off the tape, which is so convenient. And I think you have 6 different styles here, so you have 6 different wreaths, and then the pattern continues. And the second one in the same set is again with all different types of lettering codes and some words, all the positive affirmations, and I think it's really beautiful with those gold details. And these are as well stickers. And the last one in the set is again just some flowers and some leaves, and I think you can peel them off individually and they will make again a very beautiful wreath. And moving on to the next set, which is Elegant Floral Pastel Washi Tape Set. And let's open each of them and see how they look. And I wanted to quickly mention here that most of their washis, they are paper bagged, so you kind of have to peel them off, which in my opinion is a very good option, and I would say that they will probably last longer. Up next is the Fall Capella Washi Tape Sticker Set, which is so beautiful, and I have made a project using it, which I'll be sharing after this video in maybe few days. And I've used this beautiful fall leaves washi, which I'm opening at the moment. And these are again stickers, which is so cool because I can peel them off individually and then I can create a wreath or anything probably. But yeah, wreath is the first thing that came in my mind, and I have made one using these, and I think it's beautiful. You have to see it. And this one is so adorable. I think it will be lovely for any recipes that you're gonna make this fall. And I think they're so beautiful. Okay, this one is giving me all the cozy vibes. So stunning. More fall vibes. Here they are. More recipes. I think this will be great for your recipe books if you keep one. Or if you don't, I would really love these small elements around my lettering, which I majorly do. I think it will make an excellent page in my journal. And the last one in this set is again more autumn vibes, and I'm having a great time just looking at them. And lastly, we have this Christmas Carol set, which is again so adorable. I'll be using these in few weeks and I'm super excited to do that. And these are again all stickers on top. And here's the last washi of this set, the widest one, and it has some pretty cute stickers, snowmans, bunnies, I think. Let's see. And yes, those were all the cute little washi tapes that I got from the washi tape shop. And I don't know which one is my favorite so far. They are all so cute. And lastly, I want to share this journal with you, which is called the Phases Bullet Journal. This is again from the Washi tape shop, and it comes in like this very cute gift box. And let's see it together. I did like an unboxing video on my Instagram, so I just also opened all my washies and my journal over there, and I just wanted to give you a closer look here. So here we are, and I think it's the holographic effect is so stunning. It's like rainbows, shiny gilded edges. And they do come in different sizes. You have a small journal, which is roughly 14 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and you have a large journal, which is 18 by 13. And the pages inside are again dotted, and the thickness of the paper is 120 GSM with again the standard elastic closure and a pocket at the back. And yes, those were all the things I wanted to quickly show you. I will leave again all the links below for you to find them, and you can use my discount code Twitcher10 for 10% off on anything you will buy on the Washi tape shop. And thank you so much once again for watching until here, and be sure to look for my next video in which I will be using these products and yeah, hopefully making a project. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye.